Are you an avid social media user? If yes, you might have come across videos that look like this.
I say to myself I suck, but I don't let any of you say I suck.
People are calling it GaryVee Style videos, and these videos are really popular across platforms, especially on Instagram. So have you ever wondered how to make videos just like this? Hi, this is Minang from PitchGround, and in this video today, we'll be showing you how you can make GaryVee style videos in less than 10 seconds. Make sure you join our Facebook group if you haven't, because we post tips like this on a daily basis. That's Monday to Friday under the hashtag PitchGround Daily. So it's really simple on how you can make GaryVee style videos. First, you need to download an app called as Inshot. It's available on both Android and iOS platforms. So once you download the app Inshot, you just have to click on the video button, which looks like this. Once you click on the video button, it will take you to the screen where you have all the listed videos in your mobile. Just choose any video you want to edit. Click on that, click on the canvas option and choose 1:1 ratio. That is the Instagram's optimal ratio. There you go. You have video like white bars on top and bottom of the video. And then there's an option beside that. It's called the text option. Once you click the text option, you can add bold text on top, and frame by frame you can edit it and add subtitles in the bottom. That's it. It's so simple. It took you hardly less than like 10 seconds to create this kind of video. Isn't that amazing? So that's how you create GaryVee style videos in less than 10 seconds. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. See ya.